Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is DEWALT DWS780 sliding compound miter saw. This is a beast of a saw that's capable of everything you can imagine and quite a few things you've never thought of. For instance, it can cut through lumber that's up to 6.75 inches thick. Just as impressive, it can cut through a 16-inch wide piece of lumber thanks to the sliding rails and large 12-inch blade. Add the powerful 15-amp motor into the equation, and it's easy to see why this saw tops our list. Many reviewers suggested Bosch GCM12SD, but we select this DEWALT miter saw. Why? Let's compare both. PC10FCG compound miter saw. If you need the best and smooth precision cuts and crosscuts with a variety of materials including wood, panels, soft fiberboard, hard board, plywood, and aluminum sashes, look no further. This tool does it all. Powerful and reliable, this saw includes positive angle stops to let you select preset points at specific angles and has a 45-degree bevel for more precise cuts. This tool also includes a dust collector to help keep the interior components clean. Hitachi stands behind this miter saw with a 5-year professional warranty. Our third pick is Festool sliding compound miter saw. Let's watch details of this miter saw.
My name's Chris Marsden. I am the owner of Marsden Building and Remodeling. We are primarily residential remodelers, do a little bit of new construction and some light commercial work. I bought my Capex after a long deliberation process. I've been kind of paying attention to the saw ever since it came out. I was really excited to see it, but the price was a difficult pill to swallow. Eventually we had a couple projects in a row. We needed to work in a confined space and keep things clean, and actually paying attention to the money that I was paying for cleanup, I went ahead and made the purchase. We've gone through probably 6 to 8 other miter saws. Far and away the biggest advantage, the best benefit of the Capex is the dust collection. I haven't seen anything like it on any other saw, despite whatever efforts we've made to rig something up or to try this accessory product. Nothing has come close. Local bakery asked us to change the facade of the display units that they have and their counter space into more of a rustic feel. They're only closed on Mondays, so we'd have basically Sunday evening we'd go in and we'd have Monday to work, and then we'd have to be out of there by, they start working at 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning. So we'd have to be in and out, and we don't have a chance to create a work area really. We have to keep things clean. They have to be able to open right away. So, everybody appreciated how clean we were able to work and how quickly we were able to get in and out. I'm always getting asked by my coworkers, can I leave my stuff set up here? Because they just don't want to go through the hassle of taking their whole system down into the truck and setting it up next day. I can be out of the back of my truck and set up in a matter of minutes, pretty much anywhere. I've been using Festool products probably for a little over 10 years now. The obvious craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the engineering that went in to the first tools that I bought, and it carries into the Capex as well.
We select Bosch GCM12SD as our fourth choice. This 12-inch dual bevel glide miter tool features a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers a smooth, accurate cutting performance with a space-saving design exclusive to the Bosch Axial glide system. Let's watch more about this power tools.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new Axial Glide Miter Saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented Axial Glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the Axial Glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The Glide Saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the Axial Glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new Glide Saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts, and a push-button miter.
Our last pick is DEWALT DWS709. DEWALT does it again with a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers the best in durability and power to your cutting project. The tall fences will support crown molding up to 5/2 inches nested and base molding up to 4/2 inches vertically and easily slides out of the way for bevel cuts. There is a stainless steel detent plate that adjusts to 13 positive stops to improve the cutting accuracy and performance. The miter system and base fence support provides the best durable precision in cutting.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!